My name is Shane. Today I'm going to be showing off my fidgets. I just got them today, so I'm really excited to show them to you guys. Sorry, I have a virus, meningitis, I think that's what it's called. 4th of July really hit me hard on the throat. Yeah. So I just woke up and remembered I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to make a video. And here we go. I'm gonna go get one of my fidgets, and I'll show it to you guys.
Yay, I'm a winner. I don't want to win. Oh, I got it. You're not human anymore. I got it after death.
Wait. Sorry for the glitch. I glitched out, or spaced out, that is. First, it's a rainbow poppet. This is one of my friend's poppet. We just traded it. So, pop.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I can. I'm gonna go ahead and get penetrated. Go! Oh, it is right up my ass.
So comment down below if you actually heard that. I don't know where this sound is coming from. So, yeah, I don't know where it's coming from. And it was a poppet. Oh, next, we're doing the squishy. Squish. This is also my friend's, but we traded it. So I guess it's mine now. So, she made everything. Purple, mostly. White and gray. Squishy, too. Purple, white, and gray. Squish, squish. Next, we're going to do a fidget pad. Oh, yeah. I have to show you guys like this. Swirling, yes, swirling. Oh, and you're wondering what this does?
It's just a solid wall. I brought my son's heart with me and everything. No. I didn't get to the end though, which is pretty incredible.
And there's this. This spins. It's just not that clear.
I feel like I was making that a lot harder than it really is. You son of a bitch!
And there's more right here. It just spins opposite ways.
Ouch. The rope swing's turning out to be a lot more annoying than I previously anticipated.
Okay, is there anything else on it? Oh yeah, I forgot. There's this. Those other 3 don't do anything. Well, they used to. Oh, and I didn't do this. So, the next fidget is this mini poppet. It was homemade by my friend.
My wiener is doing it. I'm still alive, technically. I'm still alive! What the hell?
Okay, here comes the real popping.
True skill. Boom. Bing. Bang.
Comment below if you actually heard that too. Well, the next fidget is this ice cream slime. It smells like mint. It smells like mint. Oh my god, I almost dropped that. Okay.
Where you must demonstrate skill and agility. Welcome to.
I'm gonna make a bubble.
I tried to say welcome to the impossible bottle run. It says beat it.
Sorry, it's 5 a.m. and my voice does not want to make a video right now. But my brain says yes, yes, yes. Okay. That actually works a lot.
May receive compensation up to $2,000 for time and travel. For more information and to see if you qualify, call 913-696-1601. That's 913-696-1601. Or visit us at
Okay.
kcstudies.com.
I'm gonna keep on playing with this for a bit. I'm just gonna cut it short. Okay, the next fidget is this FGTV putty. It's also my friend's, so I didn't buy it. But we traded for it. All sticky. By the way, FGTV. I be gaming. Okay, enough. Now let's get those crusts. And there's like a pattern on it. That's a fidget right there. That's when you know it's gonna be not that sticky. So I'm gonna get more. I just have to pause the video. This is what it looks like. It has stars in it. You'll be able to see it once I get it out. Okay, I got it all out. It has stuff in it. Oh, you can actually see it now. Okay. The putty is really not that sticky. That's why I got it, because my dad hates slime. And it's not that sticky, and I thought it wouldn't stick to the carpet, because that's the last time what happened when I was about 4 or 3. So now I'm going to make a bubble with it. I hope you like it. Comment if you like this fidget. Okay, popping. It sounded like a fart. I actually can't believe that worked. I'm looking right at you guys. Oh. Eye hole. Eye hole. What is this? An eye, right. Can we just say this is a pad? Guess what I made? iPad. Ooh, I wonder if I can make an imprint with the FGTV. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, I got it on there. Now I'm going to see if it works. I think it's actually going to work. Oh, that peeled really satisfyingly. It did. Sorry for that outbreak of coughs. Okay, now on to the next fidget. The next fidget is... Put in the comments when do you think it was. Okay, you got 10 seconds. You're at like 5 or something. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. And subscribe and ring the bell. Don't worry, the video isn't over. I still have a few fidgets left in the bag. The next is peas in the pod. Peas in the pod. Here, has faces. Okay, this one has a face. This one doesn't. This is the middle one that actually has a face. This one is hard to get out, but still doesn't have a face. So the only one that has a face is the middle one. Sorry, there's just something in my eye. Probably just eye dust. Crust. On to the next fidget. The next fidget is a bike chain. I know how to make it straight. all you have to do is fold it like this and slide them together. Now they're together. And to get them apart, all you have to do is spin it and they're apart. This is what I like to do. I like to put it on my thumb, then try to put it around my thumb. Then I try it all around my fingers.
Yay, I did it! But it says there's 2 endings.
I didn't know it does that. This ring follows around wherever other one goes. So I can break it, not technically, but still, like this, so it can't follow it around.
I'm still alive. Oh, I'm still alive. I'm going into the basement. And land it. Whoever made this level, you created a real pain in my ass. All this glass, if you barely touch it, your head just explodes. It's okay.
Okay, on to the next fidget. 3, 2, 1. Marble Mesh. Marble Mesh.
Come on.
It's not that good, but it's still a fidget in some way.
I became a millionaire and lost my mind. So
Oh, look at you guys. Hey, you guys can play with it. Here you go. Or you can still have it. Comment below if you want this. I'm not giving it away. I'm sorry. I don't know how to give it away. But comment below if you actually want it. I don't know how to give it away or whatnot. I just wanted to know if you actually want it. In the next video, I will check the... what's it called? I'll check the comments and check if you guys commented if you wanted this. And I'll comment, hey guys, it's how much money? And then it will show you how much money it was for the specific one that I found. So I think you guys should try to look for it, and maybe even more colorful than this. It might even be rainbow. And then I would actually want that for some reason. And to match my collection. To match my collection. Oh yeah. I don't know how to get it to where you can actually see it. So I have to bring it. Oh, there's my collection. Oh, right there. And underneath that is the poppet and that. Okay. Just get it all set up. Okay, back to the video. So 3, 2, 1. A monkey noodle. Natural habitat. Monkey noodle. Goes in your ear. Goes on your chin. Goes in your mouth to block your speech. And cuts your face. It doesn't cut it in half, but still cuts it. Like,
I don't even know where I want to go. Typically, I like
I don't know what to do with it. Monkey noodle stretch.
It's like a third of epic. What the hell? I just unlocked the win. I don't
Okay.
want to win.
Almost done. We only have like 3 fidgets left. And by the way, I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite stuff from 4th of July at the end of the video. Okay, next I have this porcupine, I think. You guys can look at it. Has a face. Look at its back. It's textured. And if you look closely, it's sparkly. Oh yeah, you can see it. Like, right there. And all around the spines. All those little dots are sparkles. So, I also traded this with my friend. I don't have that many mochis.
That's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. Make it across without losing a goddamn limb.
But I saw something. There's this. And here's my favorite firework. Comment below what your favorite firework is. A smoke bomb.
Just I am gonna do this. Okay, one more time. We're in this together.
Well, this is my favorite thing for 4th of July. Comment below what your favorite thing for July is.
There you go.
Favorite. You go right over there. And then you scroll down, all the way down, until you hit a loading screen. Which is right after all the videos. That's what me is. That's what I do. And then you'll start seeing comments. And then you will see a comment below button. Comment button or something like that. And it will let you comment something. So comment below what your favorite firework is for 4th of July. It's not 4th of July for me. It is, let me check.
Just gotta keep the cord tight. Tom, have you been drinking the laundry detergent again?
It is Wednesday, July 7th. So I can't really light this off. Well, technically I can. Just gonna wait in the morning. So I don't have any fidgets left. Comment below what your favorite fidget is, and I'll see you next time if I have a new fidget. Comment below what your favorite firework is. I'm gonna be playing with my putty. It's stuck to the lid. Bye guys. Firework fell. Bye guys. Stay sweet. Stay awesome. And don't forget to like the video. And by the way, make sure you ring the bell so that way you don't miss any of my videos. And subscribe. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye guys.